President Donald Trump has warned that America could face serious consequences without the tariffs he imposed. His remarks come days after a federal appeals court ruled that most of those tariffs were illegal. Trump posted on TruthSocial saying that without tariffs and all of the trillions of dollars we have already taken in, our country would be completely destroyed, and our military power would be instantly obliterated. He criticized the majority of the court's judges while praising one dissenting judge appointed by former President Obama. The U.S. Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit ruled that Trump did not have the authority to impose broad, open-ended tariffs on nearly all imports. The court allowed the tariffs to remain in place until October 14th, giving time for a potential appeal to the Supreme Court. These tariffs have had global effects, including a 50% duty on some imports from India, largely tied to Russian oil. Peter Navarro, a trade advisor to Trump, said on Fox News that the dissenting opinions provide guidance for the Supreme Court. He added that the tariffs were not intended to be permanent and emphasized that the legal process is ongoing. Trump's tariffs have influenced trade worldwide, affecting imports from multiple countries. The appeals court decision has set a timeline for further legal proceedings. The outcome of the Supreme Court appeal will determine the future of these tariffs and their ongoing global impact.
They all want to be involved with America, and we have a lot of action going on. We're making a lot of money, this country. This country is not going to be losing money on trade anymore. We were losing $2 trillion a year on trade. Now we're going to be making money, a lot of money. So that's very good. Every country wants to partake, even countries that have ripped us off for many, many years. China is an example, but it's not just China. European Union, they ripped us off for many, many years, and those days are over. We're going to make a lot of money for our people. We'll be able to lower taxes substantially, and we're going to be proud of ourselves. We're not going to be a laughing stock that got taken advantage of by virtually every country in the world. We are going to have a fair deal with China. It's going to be fair.
Are you talking to them actively now?
Actively. Everything's active. Everybody wants to be a part of what we're doing. They know that they can't get away with it any longer, but they're still going to do fine. And we're going to have a country that you can be proud of, not a laughing stock all over the world for many years. You know, in 1913, they traded to the income tax system. We used to be all tariff, and we had no income tax, and we had the wealthiest country we've ever had proportionately. From about 1870 to 1913, it was all tariffs, and we had more money than anybody. They had committees how to spend the money. They had so much money they didn't know how to spend. Then some brilliant person said, let's go income tax. Let's let the people pay. Now, we're going to be able to substantially lower taxes when this is finished.
So, how does it look in the meantime? Are you considering
it looks good, yeah. No, it looks good.
While you're negotiating?
It looks good. We were losing anywhere from $3 to $5 billion a day. Think of it. We're losing billions of dollars a day under Biden and other presidents, frankly. But under Biden, it got really worse. China got out of control. We're losing $1 trillion a year. Trillion, not a billion, not a million, $1 trillion. And now we're going to be making money with everyone, and everyone's going to be happy. But we're no longer going to be the country that's ripped off by every country in the world.